You've got CrashPlan, but now how do you log in to access it? There are a couple places you can sign into CrashPlan. I'm Brian, and in this video, I'll show you where and how. If you're administering the CrashPlan environment, the first place you'll need to log in is the console. So we'll start by going over how to log in there. You should have been given a URL when you signed up in the form of https://console.us2.crashplan.com. The US2 part may be different since we have a few different cloud environments, but the rest should be the same. Enter that URL into a browser and you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your username, then press enter or click sign in and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password and then press enter or click sign in again and you'll be logged into your CrashPlan admin console. If your account has two-factor authentication turned on, there will be an additional step. We'll come back to that in a bit. First, we'll cover how to log into the CrashPlan app. I'm going to assume that you have the CrashPlan app installed already for the purpose of this training. If you do not, please install it now. Open the CrashPlan app and you'll be taken to the sign-in screen. As with the console, it will first prompt you to enter your username. Do so, then press enter or click continue. The sign-in process now occurs in the browser, and CrashPlan will attempt to open a browser window for you. If it fails to do so, the app also provides a URL that you can copy and paste into a browser to continue your login. You will now enter a password into the browser window that was opened, and press enter or click sign in. If you entered the correct password, you should see a message that your sign-in was successful, and your CrashPlan app should then be logged in. As I mentioned before, the process is slightly different if you have two-factor authentication turned on for your account. Let's talk about that now. Two-factor authentication relies on a time-limited code that is generated for your account. These codes are obtained through an authenticator app. Most often our customers use the Google Authenticator, but there are others that may work just as well. If you have not previously set up your authenticator, when you try to log in, you will see a screen that prompts you to set it up. Following the instructions on the page, you'll need to install an authenticator app, then either scan the QR code or enter the code that you are given within the authenticator. Doing so will give you a 6-digit number to enter into the box to complete the setup process. Do so, then press enter to complete the setup. If you had to set this up, you'll now be signed in. If you had previously set up your two-factor authenticator, when you enter your username at sign-in, you'll be taken to a screen that asks for your password and authenticator code. Enter your password and get the current code from the authenticator app and enter that as well. Click sign in and you'll be logged into either the app or the console. That's how you log into the different parts of CrashPlan. Should you run into any difficulties, feel free to contact us. We're always happy to help.